Do you want a voice that sounds like this?
I want to know what you want.
Deep, calm, and confident. But here's the truth. Most people aren't born with a deep voice. They train for it. So if you want to change your silly voice, don't worry. Let's fix it in 3 simple steps, and don't miss the bonus tip. Step 1. Start with a breath. Most people breathe shallowly from their throat or upper chest. To get a deeper, fuller voice, you need to breathe from your diaphragm. Take a deep breath through your nose, slowly. You should feel your belly expand, not your shoulders lift. That's diaphragmatic breathing. When you speak, let that air flow out naturally. No pushing, no straining. This one change alone can make your voice sound deeper, smoother, and more grounded. Step 2. Relax your throat. Tension in your neck and throat makes your voice sound tighter and higher. Try this. Hum gently and feel where the vibration is strongest. You want that sound to come from your chest, not your nose or head. Now say, "Hey, how are you?" in a relaxed, slow tone. If your chest vibrates slightly, you're doing it right. Step 3. Posture and pace matter. Stand or sit straight. Your posture affects your airflow. And slow down when you speak. Rushing makes your voice sound thinner and anxious. A slow, steady pace gives weight to your words. Bonus tip, speak with intention. Don't mumble. Don't speak just to fill silence. Even a light voice can sound powerful when used intentionally.